Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. So finally the MCC has published its information bulletin, or you can say brochure, okay, and mostly it's like last year only, okay. I'll analyze it and publish a video in detail by today evening or something like that, okay. But the MCC brochure is published, and before that we had a kind of like go ahead from Supreme Court, okay, that in any case the counseling would be postponed, and they don't want to put like candidates career in jeopardy. So the counseling is most likely to happen on the schedule, and from the first of September the registration will start, and soon you can expect the seat matrix. Maybe not today, then by tomorrow, 100% tomorrow it will come, because there is no reason why they should delay it. And talking about NMC, EWS, these all matters which may have restricted the counseling to proceed, they are now having no impact on the counseling. Whether NMC implements or not, the counseling date wouldn't change, because Supreme Court has given, the main justice has, Chief Justice has given the direction that okay, it won't be delayed in any cost, okay. Even EWS result, okay, which is scheduled to happen tomorrow, the hearing, whatever the outcome comes, or whether it gets delayed or further date is given, it won't restrict the counseling, okay. It won't have any impact on the counseling, okay. So you need to assume now that the counseling will be proceed based on the last year rules, okay, and there won't be any changes, okay. So you need to study this, just read once, and there are many notifications will be coming now, one after another, okay. But you have to take everything with peace of mind, and don't get into panic state that many things are happening. The schedule is there, and as per the schedule only everything will happen. And no matters how many notification you get in a day, okay, you have to filter out like which is important for you, and you have to focus on that, and just ignore other notifications whether it's related to state. But you need to know that which are the notifications related to counseling, at least pertaining to your state, okay. For paid members, we already have been providing all the notification and updates, every minute level update. And regarding state counseling, Tamil Nadu state counseling has been put on a hold, but as per the schedule today was the last date. But you don't need to worry if you have not registered. For Andhra Pradesh management quota, today is the last date, so if you want to register, you can register by today. And for Telangana Cat A, tomorrow is the last date for registration. Punjab has completed its registration. Kerala also has completed its registration. And if any other state registration opens, I will update you, okay. So if you're still waiting for the paid counseling guidance, there is no need to wait, okay. If you want to take otherwise you need to proceed on your own skills, okay. So I will update you whenever the seat matrix gets published. So stay tuned, and I'll suggest that go through the prospectus, brochure, rules on your own, okay. You have to read it because it's for your purpose only. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.